The network interface layer. The network interface layer, commonly referred to as the data link layer. This layer is the physical interface between the host system and the network hardware. It defines how data packets are to be formatted for transmission and routing. Common protocol for this layer is IEEE 802.2. IEEE 802.2 is the original name of the ISO standard, which defines logical link control. Hub, switch, and routers. All three devices are similar, but three of them handle data in different way. Number one is Hub. It's a networking device. Hub work as a central connection between all network equipment, connect devices with Ethernet cable. Hub is not intelligent device. Hub does not filter any data, broadcast all the information to all the devices. Can be security risk. Hub can be security risk. Hub is a half duplex device. Half duplex means devices or nodes cannot send and receive data at the same time. For example, walkie-talkie. Full duplex means devices or nodes can send and receive data at the same time. Switches are networking devices like a hub. Switch connect devices in a network. Like a hub, a switch is the connection point for the computers and other devices in a network. Switch uses a MAC address to send data packets to selected destination ports. A switch has many ports to which computers are plugged in. A switch is more intelligent than hub. Switches are active devices equipped with network software and network management capabilities. Switches can perform some error checking before forwarding data to the destination port. Switches is a full duplex device. A MAC address is a hardware identification number that uniquely identifies each device on a network. Routers. A router is a networking device that routes or passes your internet connection to all your devices. Router perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. It connects different networks together and send data packets from one network to another. A router can be used in a local area network and wide area network. A router inspects a given data packet's destination internet protocol address, calculate the best way for it to reach its destination, and then forward it accordingly. Some common terms to know when discussing computer networking. Number one, what is Internet browser? Internet browser, also known as web browser or simply a browser, is a software program that lets you view web pages on your computer. You can think of your browser as your gateway to the internet. The main purpose of internet browser is to translate the code that computer use to create website into the text, graphics, and other features of web pages that we are used to seeing today. What is the World Wide Web or WWW? Many people think that the internet and the World Wide Web are the same thing. While they are closely linked, they are very different systems. The internet is a huge network of computers all connected together. The World Wide Web, WWW or web for short, is a collection of web pages found on this network of computers. Your web browser uses the internet to access the web. What is the internet? The internet is a huge network of computers all connected together. The internet is actually a network of networks that connects billions of digital devices worldwide. What is search engine? A search engine is a software program that help people to find the information they are looking for online using keyword or phrases. Search engines are able to return results quickly even with millions of websites online. The top 5 search engines worldwide are Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, and Yandex. How do you define a website? A website is a collection of related material that contain text, images, and may also include video, audios. A website can be simply as a few static pages or as complex as several web applications running simultaneously. What is data? In general, data is a piece of information that is gathered for some important purpose. Data can be available in terms of bit and byte stored in electronic memory. We also call that hard drives. There are different kind of data such as sound, videos, numbers, pictures, or text. What is URL? URL, a uniform resource locator, is also known as a web address. Simple. What is protocol? Like TCP, UDP, ICMP, and other protocols. Protocols are different way of communicating over the internet. Protocol is the language computer understand. Computer do not understand the human language. So that's why we need to use protocol. What is ISP? Your internet service provider is the company that provides you an internet connection. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. What is IP address? An internet protocol address or IP address is a numerical address that corresponds to your computer network. When a computer wants to connect to another computer, same like our home address, all the computer networks have address. This is what we call that IP address. What is domain name? A domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet user can access your website. Simple. What is DNS? The DNS stands for Domain Name System. The domain name system is how computers convert human readable domain names and host names to numerical IP addresses. What is gateway? A gateway is a device that routes traffic between networks. For example, at home, your router is your gateway. It provides a gateway between your local area network and wide area network, LAN and WAN. What is packet? A packet is a unit of data sent between devices or computers. What is HTTP? It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is protocol used to transfer data over the web. This is a defined language which computers can use to talk to each other. What is modem? A modem is what brings the internet into your home or business. It's a hardware device. What is port? Computer hardware. A port serves as an interface connection between the computer and other computers or peripheral devices like RJ45 connector port, like USB port. What are the networking hardware? Networking hardware are the networking equipment or computer networking devices like modem, computer, router, switch, cable, or like RJ45 connector, hub, bridge, switch.